girl, hey, this is your favorite Atlanta realtor, Brittany Neely. Today we are on the south side with Bedford Estates, Century Properties. This is a 5-bedroom. The floor plan is a gray birch. First bedroom here, you can use it as an office, full bath. Here we have an open concept. I absolutely love it. In this living space, I love the decor. I love the abstract paintings. Even if you're gonna just be walking past them here and there, they're still nice to look at, right? Here is a perfect space for a 75-inch TV to watch our favorite show, Insecure. Me personally, I have a green thumb, so I would love to have a lot of plants here. I'm a fiddle fig kind of girl. This is a perfect space for it. I would love to have my friends over just to get comfortable and cute. And next, we have the dining space. I absolutely love that you can get whatever shape you want. This particular one is a rectangle. You can have a big circular one. Either way, it's gonna seat 6 people comfortably. Absolutely love that. I got a lot of homegirls. They would love that as well. Next, this island. It's absolutely beautiful. It's oversized with lots of storage on the back end. This might be one of my favorite features in the entire kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, double oven, microwave, gas stove, and the dishwasher. But honestly, between me and you, and most realtors may not tell you this, but in new construction, a refrigerator and a washer and dryer is never included. This is a very deep sink. Some people are considering it to be farm style. I love it myself. Granite countertops. But next, let's run upstairs. Okay guys, now that we're upstairs, let's check out the second bedroom. I would consider this to be the in-law suite. Super quaint, cozy. I love the natural lighting in here. Coat closet, full bathroom, vanity. It even has a little window in there. I absolutely love how it feels. If you have some in-laws, you're gonna have to beg them to leave. They're never gonna wanna leave. Come on. This loft space can be used for an open concept office, girls' night, Netflix and chill, whatever it is. Hey, let's just make it your own. Okay guys, so let's move on to the other bedrooms. Back here, you would see that these are identical Jack and Jill rooms, most likely for the kids. So you're having windows and closets in both. I think they're a great size, especially for little kids. Here, Jack and Jill bathrooms. Everything in here looks standard, but you also have a tub. That's great for the kiddies. And what we have here is a laundry room. Big enough for you to have a pet space, easy to clean on these tile floors. Me, I personally can see a stainless steel Samsung washer and dryer. The master. The master is huge. As you can see, spacious. I love the windows here. It's making it feel even bigger than it actually is. But for me, my favorite space in the entire house is the bathroom. Huge soaker tub, standing showers, double vanity, bonus, window for more natural lighting. Love that. You have a commode here with a door for a little extra privacy, but for me, I love a closet. This is a closet. I personally would put at least 5 to 10 of the IKEA closets in here, crown mold them out, voila.